This is Chapter 3, beginning on page 85, Suffixes. Our chapter sections include the introduction, combining forms, suffixes, and terminology, our in-person story about gallbladder stones, exercises and answers, pronunciation of terms, practical applications, picture show, review, and terminology checkup. Our chapter objectives: to identify and define useful diagnostic and procedural suffixes, to analyze, spell, and pronounce medical terms that contain diagnostic and procedural suffixes, and to apply medical terms in real-life situations. Our first section, the introduction. This chapter reviews the suffixes that you have learned in the first two chapters and also introduces new suffixes. The combining forms used in the chapter are listed below. Refer to this list as you write the meanings of the terms in the suffixes and terminology section that follows. So first we have adeno. This means gland. Amnio is the amnion, which is the sac of fluid surrounding the embryo. Angio means vessel. It's usually a blood vessel. Arterio is artery. Arthro, joint. Athro, plaque, which is a yellow fatty material. And be sure not to get these two confused, arthro and athro, because there is just an additional E in athro. So again, arthro is joint and athro is plaque. Axillo is armpit or the underarm. Broncho and bronchio are both bronchial tubes. Carcino, cancerous. Cardio is heart. Chemo is drug, also chemical. Cholecysto is gallbladder. Chrono means time. Colo is the colon, large intestine or bowel. Corono means heart or crown. Cryo is cold. Cysto, urinary bladder, also a sac of fluid or a cyst. Electro means electricity. Encephalo is brain. Erythro is red. Esophago is esophagus, the tube leading from the throat to the stomach. Hemo and hemato are both blood. Hepato means liver. Hystero means uterus. Inguino is the groin, which is the area in which the thigh meets the trunk of the body. Isco means to hold back. Laparo is the abdomen or abdominal wall. Laryngo is the voice box, also known as the larynx. Leuco means white. Both mammo and masto means breast, but with mammo it's used with the suffixes ari, graphi, gram, and plasti. And then for masto, these are used with the suffixes ectomy and itis. Next we have meno. This means menses, which is menstruation, and also month. Meningo means meninges, and this is the membranes around the brain and spinal cord. Myo means muscle. Myelo is bone marrow, and this is the soft inner part of bones where blood cells are made. Myelo can also mean spinal cord, which is the bundle of nerves that extend from the brain down the back of the spine. Necro is the death of cells. Nephro means kidney, and this particular combining form is used with all suffixes except al and gram. Neuro means nerve. Oophoro is ovary. So oo means egg, and phoro means to bear. Osteo is bone. Auto is ear. Pelvo is the hip area. Peritoneo refers to the peritoneum, the membrane surrounding organs in the abdomen. Phlegbo means vein. Pneumono means lung, and pulmono also means lung. Radio refers to X-rays. Reno means kidney, and this is used with the suffixes al or al and gram. Rhino means nose. Salpingo is the fallopian or uterine tube. Sarco means flesh. Septico means pertaining to infection. Thoraco means chest. Tonsillo means tonsil. Tracheo refers to the windpipe, which is the trachea. Uro means urine or urea, a waste material, or urinary tract. And then vasculo means blood vessel.